Here we are creating Azure account, so we are searching Azure on Google, and we are clicking first link, that is creating Azure account. So friends, here we can see the create your Azure free account today, and we can proceed further. So we can create our Microsoft ID, or we can use already created ID. We have two options. So I'm submitting the details and creating an account. And after this we are submitting the password, and so here we have to create a new password, that is we can choose, and then we can submit. So we have to select the next option here. So basically it is very simple, and we have to update all the detail. Basically we required a credit card or credit card detail to finalize our Azure account. So guys, you can able to see here the web page there, try Azure for free. So here we have to submit detail like name, last name, email, phone number, organization name, or PAN card details. So I am trying to update all these things basically, and here we have to verify our phone number also, or credit card also. So this all the detail I am hiding, so you can use your own credential and a card number basically. So after this you have to confirm the OTP that is comes on your mobile phone, and after this verification you have to verify your credit card to complete your account. So after verification we can submit the web page, and it is loading actually. So after this we can able to see the form that is containing credit card detail. So we have to submit all the required details, and after submitting detail we have to put OTP that is comes on your mobile, and finally you can log in into your Azure account. So guys, it is very simple to log in into Azure or creating an account. Or here you have able to see some points. Scores are available to use Azure services. So all services are not free, so we have to think before using any services, and you can check on Google which service are free or which is not, or I can explain in the next video about more use of Azure.